TradeStation Review. Is this trading platform legit? So what is TradeStation? TradeStation is a US-based online brokerage platform that offers trading in stocks, options, futures, ETFs, and crypto. It's geared towards active traders and serious investors who want advanced charting and custom strategies, all through desktop, web, or mobile. The company is FINRA registered and SIPC insured, which adds credibility and protection of your funds. Here's what TradeStation brings to the table: zero commission stock and ETF trades, powerful charting and analysis tools, customizable indicators and trading automation, direct market access and lightning fast execution, crypto trading and simulated accounts for practice. It's a favorite among algorithmic traders and those who want total control over their trading environment. Its pros included being an extremely robust platform for technical and active traders, low fees for most assets, and mobile and desktop apps are both feature rich. However, it's not ideal for beginners. The UI can feel overwhelming. Some tools and data feeds cost extra. Customer support is decent, but not industry leading. So is TradeStation legit? Absolutely. It's been around for decades. It's regulated and is trusted by thousands of serious traders. If you want deep analytics and custom strategies, TradeStation is worth it. But if you're a beginner, you may want to start with something simpler. And that has been an honest review of TradeStation.